Ever wonder why sending a long text message might affect your messaging budget more than a short one? At its core, an SMS segment is a standard portion of a text message for most common messages using GSM7 encoding. One segment holds up to 160 characters. Think of it as a single page in a very short book. Now, what happens if your message exceeds those 160 characters? It doesn't just stop. Instead, your messaging platform, like Twilio, automatically splits it into multiple segments. Each chunk of 160 characters becomes its own segment, with longer messages containing extra overhead for the receiver to reassemble them, effectively reducing the per segment character limit slightly after the first part. This segmentation is crucial for understanding how services like Twilio bill for your messages. Every single segment, whether it's the first or the fifth part of your long message, is counted and billed individually. This means a message that appears as one long text on your phone could actually be 2 or 3 separate billable segments behind the scenes. This is also where character encoding comes in. Special characters or emojis often switch the encoding to UX2, reducing the per segment character limit to just 70 characters. Understanding SMS segments empowers you to manage your messaging costs efficiently by being mindful of your message length and character types. You can optimize your communication strategy, saving on your Twilio bill and ensuring every message delivers maximum impact without unnecessary expense.